Hi guys, it is 10 o'clock in the morning, straight on the dot. And I'm just having coffee. My mom made me coffee. Ah, delicious. That is my favorite part of the day. Like I dream. Like you ever have dreams? I like dream about my coffee in the morning. It's funny. But I also have my water here too. But I'm not sure how much I'm gonna be able to video or vlog today because today we have someone coming to either clean our air conditioners or do something with them. And we have an air conditioner right there, like right there. And then, oops. And then we have one in the TV room, which is over there. And then I also have one in my room, which you guys have seen also. So those are the three places that I frequent in my house, and then I do most of my vlogging. So that's number one. But number two, what would you say we're doing with the ramp? We're replacing. Okay, so the ramp, my wheelchair ramp outside, is like, well, not old, but it's
20 years old.
Okay, it's old.
You've been here
It's
20 years.
Yeah, it's 20 years old. So like some of the boards are wobbly, and some of the things are needing to be replaced. So we're replacing the surface. The frame of it is fine. It's just the boards that you drive on for the chair and the walker and people walk on and dogs and whatever. It's just a little wobbly. So, we're replacing that. So, I also can't go outside for a little bit because obviously I have the ramp that I use. So, while that's being worked on, I don't know, this video may be just coffee time and that's it. I don't know. We'll see.
Down the basement for the day.
I'm good.
It'd be hot down there, though.
No, I'm good. But yeah, so that's just what Tuesday is. It's a work on the house type of deal. But it's time for the ramp. The ramp's like 20 years old, like I said. So in order to be safe, it needs to be done. So we're working on it. So, yeah. Question of the day, what are your plans for today? Or if you're watching this tomorrow or any other time, what did you do today? I'd be really curious to know. So, if you ever wondered what a ramp looks like without boards, be careful. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm doing this so they can walk up this.
Yeah. If you ever wondered what a ramp looked like without boards, this is it. Nope. And the dogs are kind of freaked out because they're used to going out this way, but for now at least, they have to go out they have to go out down the basement stairs and through the garage. And even though they tolerate it, they're not a huge fan of stairs because I don't think anyone in this house is a fan of stairs because we've all had 20 years of just walking right out the front door. But I'm vlogging because the guy for the air conditioner still isn't here yet. It's 1:22. The person who did the ramp got all these boards up in like 2 hours. It was crazy. Yeah, he had a crowbar and he was just hacking away at them. So, yeah, if you ever wondered what it looks like, this is it. And if you're wondering, we have some boards over there that we could just put back, God forbid, in case I needed to get out for an emergency or something. But my parents are gonna work this afternoon and evening to put the boards back, like the new ones on. So, cause nobody wants it to be like this. So, yeah. Any hoopla. That's what it's looking like. It's kind of cool, isn't it? Ready? 1, 2, 3, thumbnail. Cool. So I wanted to give you an update that it is 3:51 and the air conditioner person has left. They've cleaned all the filters and whatever needed to be cleaned, or I think they were cleaning something or changing something or whatever, but they did all that. And yeah, but honestly, I'm gonna end the video here because I'm really super tired and I just kind of want to chill and kind of just relax a little bit. So I will see you all in the morning. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.